Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to look at the neuropsychology, but we'll delve much on, I think, what is the brain. That is the introduction of our neuropsychology. So today we're just going to look at the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. My name is Peripheral Nervous System here at Mangetes channel, right? So if you're new in this channel, please make sure that you like, you comment, you press the notification button, and you share the videos. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel. So today we're going to look at the neuropsychology. We'll start on the brain, right? So let us focus on our part, right? Ta-da! Okay. So we set the brain, right? The brain, they usually used to say it is the physically object. The physically, don't talk about me, I'm writing like a doctor. Yeah, so it is the physical object, the organ of the body and the muscle tissue. The muscle tissue that exert a control over the body. So a brain, it is a physical object or the organ of the body or the muscle tissue that exerts a control, a control over the body. That means your body, if you know that your body is moving, your body is speaking, your body is sleeping, it all things start from here on the brain. Everything starts from here on the brain. So we move on to look at the peripheral and the central nervous system. So we'll start by looking at the central nervous system. This stands for central nervous system. This is what is called central nervous system. It contains the brain and the spinal cord. Central nervous system, it contains the what? The brain and the spinal cord. It contains the brain and the spinal cord. So we have another thing that is called the peripheral nervous system. The peripheral nervous system, which is called PCN, PSN, right? This is the peripheral nervous system. So here we are looking at the all parties of the body that lead to the central nervous system. That means now we include many different parts of the body that lead to the tangible object, which is the spinal cord and the brain. That means this is the what is called peripheral nervous system, right? So it includes all parts of the body that connect it to the CNC. That is connected to the CNC. So we are speaking about the voluntary parts of the body and the involuntary parts of the body. Right. So if we're speaking about the voluntary and the involuntary part of the body, that is why now we are going to look at two types of the peripheral nervous system. We are going to look at two types of the peripheral nervous system. Let us erase here because my body is too short. And then now we're going to look at the two types of peripheral nervous system, which is the Number one, which is the somatic nervous system. Somatic nervous system and the autonomic nervous system. So guys, if we are looking at the somatic nervous system, this is called the, okay, let me erase again here, sorry. This is called the, this is the definition of the voluntary muscles that we can control using our consciousness. So this is the thing, this is our muscle that you can control using our consciousness. Like the muscle is I'm writing, I'm controlling my hand, I'm controlling my muscle. It can be the muscles of the body. It can be the muscles of the body. Everything that you can think, that you can control, that is called somatic nervous system. Right, so let us move on our number two, automatic or autonomic yes, this is the autonomic nervous system, and then we said this is the voluntary, and then the definition, it is the involuntary muscles, are the involuntary muscles that we cannot control. Right, so this is the involuntary muscles that you cannot control, such as the heartbeat or the heartbeat, the breathing of the heart, such as the digestion system, sleeping, and resting. So yeah, this is the system. So we can't control all those things. You see, this is the involuntary muscles that you cannot control, such as the heartbeat and the digestion system. Right. And we have two types of autonomic nervous system. That means we have two types of autonomic nervous system. Let us look at them. Right, so we said we are going to look at the autonomous or the autonomic nervous system. So the autonomic nervous system, it has been derived from the sympathetic nervous system, and then this one, it has been derived from the parasympathetic nervous system. So this one, it is suitable for rest. This one, it is suitable for rest and digestion. Remember guys that this one, it is the involuntary muscles. Right, so this is the rest and the digestion. So we are looking here at the what? At the fight or flight. So now I'm going to explain to you the rules of the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. So we're done with the autonomic nervous system, and then now we're going to look at the use. So this is our person, right? We said this is our brain, and then this is our spinal cord. Brain plus spinal cord. This is called central nervous system. So, and then we have different like head, like ribs, like internal organs, like everything that you can see now and you can mention on the body is called peripheral nervous system. So the word nervous, it is called neurons, right? So neurons are the signals. These are the signals, that send the information to the brain, right? These are the signals that send the information to the brain. So once you hear nervous, that means you're speaking about different types of signal that can send the information to the brain. So yeah guys, and then here we said we're going to look at the functions of central nervous system and the functions of peripheral nervous system. So let us look at, let us start with the peripheral nervous system. So peripheral nervous system, the function of it transmits information from the body to the central nervous system, right? So central nervous system, it receives the information from central nervous system to as a commandment. So now from central nervous system as a command to back to here, peripheral nervous system. So guys, yeah, that is our peripheral nervous system and then our central nervous system. So now we're going to look at the different types of another nervous system, like the sensing. Right, so let us look at now at the peripheral nervous system. The communication, and the brain. So right now, as I'm communicating with you, there are certain things that are happening on your body, there are certain things that are happening on your mind, which lead you to think, which lead you to reason, which lead you to take behavior. So now some things that are called, neurons, right? As I said, these are the things that they transmit information to the brain. Transmit info to the brain, information to the brain. Right, so we have three types of neurons. Number one, central neurons. Central neurons are the things that are happening surrounding your environment, are the things that are being taken in your surrounding environment, right? So this is called the sensory neurons, which are the perceptions shortly. Perceptions, stimulus, which can be taste, touch, smell, hear. There are five: taste, touch, smell, hear, and visual. So this is the sensory neurons. So number two, there's something that is called motor. There's something that is called motor neurons. Motor neurons, they just take information from the skin, from the hand, but it has something to do with the body. They just take information to the brain, and then the brain will just receive the information, and then will bring back the commandment to the skin in order for it to be safe, in order for it to be safe. So this is called, like, let's say I'm putting my hand on top of the hot stove. So the skin will sense and then will send the impulse to the brain, to the central nervous system, and then the central nervous system will tell the brain will tell the brain will tell the brain, and then transmit the neurons from the brain to the hand and tell the hand to remove the hand from the hot stove. So that is how the brain and the body work and they behave. Right, so motor neurons are called it can be the body muscles. It can be the body muscles that send information from the brain, and the brain will tell the neurons that are here on the brain back to the skin, and the brain will tell the neurons that are here to the skin, right, to the skin. Right, so we are going to look at the association neurons or the internal neurons. Right, number 3, internal neurons. So number 3, you have something that is called internal neurons. This is actually or sometimes they're called association. Are the neurons that help you to think? Are the neurons that help you to think, to communicate information? So the internal neurons, they help you or they assist in order to think or process information. Right. So today I plan, guys, to look at the brain, central nervous system, and the peripheral nervous system. I hope you enjoyed this video, and then don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share the video. Don't forget to click the notification button so that if I'm uploading new videos, you will stay updated. Love you. Bye.